Good morning, friends. Welcome to week 16 of school, and we are still distance learning. I hope everyone had a fabulous winter break, and we are back. So, looking at week 16, looking at our calendar, today, Monday, is just going to be a catch-up day on our North and South notes, our Cornell notes. Those are the ones that we did right before we went to winter break. I typically give you 3 days because sometimes it's not quite enough time for each note packet to get done in 2 days. Okay, so I kind of give you an extra day to get that done. So that's what we're doing today. Make sure those get submitted in Schoology when you're done, both of them, and I will get those in the grade book. The rest of the week, we're going to start learning about the antebellum period. This antebellum just means the period right before the Civil War. Okay, so a lot of things that were happening in America, we already kind of learned about how the North and the South are very divided and wanted different things and felt very strongly certain ways about slavery. But the antebellum movement kind of follows those same lines, but there's a lot of different things happening. So you'll see two things in that folder. A foldable, so we're going to be doing a digital foldable, so not a digital notebook this time, a foldable, which is kind of fun. And you'll make your own copy of that foldable. And then we're going to be using this slideshow to put information into our foldable. So there's some directions in here. There's a video clip that we're going to watch together when we start.
The word.
Okay. And then we'll go through the slides each day specific to whatever tab in our foldable we are working on. Okay. So this is what the foldable looks like. It's done in Google Slides. So you can see there are multiple slides. And you're going to put your name here so we know whose it is. And then you'll see it's broken down by immigration, urban challenges, freed African Americans, social reform, abolitionists, and women's rights. So those are kind of the main topics we're going to cover in this period right prior to the Civil War and how that all begins. Okay, so the first one, we're going to do notes on immigration, and you're going to be able to type right in here in your foldable. So you're going to be able to input the information right in here to each spot that needs to be filled out. And you will use this slideshow. Okay, so for example, if we're starting on immigration, it says more than 3 million from Germany and Ireland. Ireland potato famine killed over 1 million Irish people in Ireland. So that would go in your Ireland box because it's about Ireland. Okay, same thing for the information on Germany. That would go there. Then as you keep going, it looks at different push and pull factors as to why people wanted to come to America. And like the push factors would go into the push factors box. So it correlates pretty well with the slideshow. And we're just going to take one section a day and learn about this different time period and the different challenges that Americans faced and immigrants faced and African Americans faced during this time. Okay, so you can kind of scroll through and see the different topics that we're going to cover. And then the exciting part is after this, we're going to do kind of a North and South project next week and look more at the similarities and differences between what the two wanted. And then we will start learning specifically about the Civil War. So a lot of exciting stuff coming up. I hope everyone has a great week, and I'll see you at our Google Meet.